Hello and welcome to this channel. So today I'm going to share you how you can open the Typing Master 11 basic lessons. For that, first of all, you have to search on search button Typing Master. Okay, Typing Master. After that, you have to open it. For that, you have to go there by using touchpad and click on open. One time you have to click. Okay, now you can see it is open. For that, like you can see there, it is now uh, very less. It is taking very less screen. For that, you have to maximize it for full screen and write down your name. So I am using this name, Ritik Kumar, and go there to enter. And now you can see there you have lessons. For that, you can see touch typing masters. It is for 3 minutes. Now in the second 1.2, new keys home roles. For that, you have to click it. And you can see now here you have to see all this thing like in this lesson you will learn the home row ASDF and JKL. You can see that now you can written all this thing how it will be going happen. And after that you can see here. Yes. So here you can see press space in to continue. So then you can see AS and now you will know all the thing. Okay. Now it is start now. So double A space FF space CD space. Now you can see there. First for that you can see here. Here you have to use how you can use this for J. You have to use this finger. Okay. So double J, then space for thumb. Like that you have to do it. Thank you so much for being here.